Hiya people, you're welcome back to my channel. So I've just woken up, so this is my wake up face, my makeup wake up hair. I haven't done anything to myself, and today we're just going to be talking about something you should do every morning, and it's very important. It's very good. I'll be showing you what I mean. I'm going to be showing you the recipe very soon as well. And I've got this chesty cough, no temperature or no fever, nothing like that, just the chesty cough. And I've been taking this morning and night, well, at night when I remember, but every morning, and it's pretty much been very helpful and effective. I've been coughing out very thick phlegm, and I can feel my hairway, you know, clear up. I can feel my chest feel lightened up, and I believe it's very effective. And also because I've just had a baby, I believe it's really been helpful for my belly. So this is my belly. I haven't sucked it in. I haven't done anything, and this is pretty much my belly. It's really been helpful with helping my belly go down. My husband has got every exercise things I think I will need, but I haven't had a minute to start, so I will start very soon. But before then, I've just been taking this, and it's really been effective. Please stay tuned if you want to know what I've been taking, and if you think you want to learn a DIY thing to do when you've got a cough or something you could do at home without having to go to the hospital. So please stay with me and learn today. And if you want to achieve a flat belly, you can take it morning and night. Let's start our day and get into it. Oh, lovely day outside there. So what do we need? First off, you need 1 lemon. You don't need everything if you plan to make a little cup. You need ginger cubes. I've got this crushed ginger cubes. If you've got fresh ginger, just grate it in with your grater or blend it in your blender. Entirely up to you. You need a cup depending on how much you want to drink per time. And then you need clear honey. You need mint. So this mint we got from Lidl. So you need this mint. And you need parsley if you can get your hands on parsley. So what I've done is I've plucked it here. I've plucked the parsley and the mint leaf here, and I've told you about the other bits and bobs. So you then put your leaves that you've plucked here. You can blend it if you want or crush it if you want, but I believe because it's going to be going into hot water, it will get dissolved and melted anyway. So next you need to go in with just 1/2 of the cube, and I'll go in with just 1 tablespoonful of the honey. Oh, that was pretty messy there. And then I will squeeze my lemon in. So I've just squeezed in half of the lemon. And then lastly, you need hot water. Just pour it in, and that's what the end result looks like. So just let it cool down. And I normally chew the leaves. If you want, you can sieve it out. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.